Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to create a new calendar on Google Calendar web application. So the first thing that you will need to do is to open your internet browser or your browser, and then you will search for Google. And if you're already using Google Chrome, you will find your profile picture here, and then you can go to your Google account, or you can search like here the Google account, and you can search for your apps and you will find the calendar. Otherwise, if you are using other browsers, you can just go for Google and search for Google, either the Gmail or any Google app, and by that you will find here your Google account. After you connect to it, of course, you will need to connect to your Google account so you can access to the Google Calendar. You click on the Google Apps, this icon, and then click on Calendar, and now you have the access of Google Calendar. And now all you remains is to follow these simple steps. So the first thing you need to do is to go here to other calendars. You will find them here in this navigation bar or navigation tab of your Google Calendar web application. You see other calendars. You will find this plus icon, and as you can see, you can add other calendars. You click on it, you create a new calendar, and here you give it a name, new calendar, and you can give it a description. You give it a time zone. You can, of course, the owner is the account that you are using, and this is your organization. You create calendar, and basically a new calendar will be created. And all you need to do is to wait until the creation has finished. And of course, if you go back, you will find that your calendar has been created successfully. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.